So I just thought I'd show you this, just come in late from work. I wanted to try the Lasersaber version instead of this one I made. Again, still a good design, but needs tweaking with. But the strongest out of the two is the Lasersaber's version. So I still have a printed generator, connected neodymium magnets, serpentine coil winding, just one, through a rectifier to a DC capacitor. As you can see, there's an LED, but there's nothing in it. This starts on its own. Again, same setup as before. For those that haven't seen it, ZVS, induction coil or ignition coil, 12 volt, and then a Walter Cockcroft spark multiplier, 12 volt input. When I switch on, goes through these sides, north south, north south, north south into the pins, and it will turn the rotor. So I'll just show you. There's a lot more weight in this, but because of the shape of the stator fins, it definitely makes a hell of a difference in the torque. So again, not so long we'll start to see the capacitors charge. Why I'm showing you this is that the possibility, once we have a reasonable antenna, then we can just charge the capacitors through this design without the input. So you can see we're already starting to come. I'll just turn the light out. See, we're getting brighter. Pretty good light. Now that was my multimeter, so it'd be interesting to find out what's actually going in. But yeah, a 3D design, printed out, and of course we tinker with it. But I'm sure we could make some kind of workshop how to put these together, what the tips and the pitfalls are, if anybody's interested.